Hello everyone, I am Krunal Bapuwar, currently studying in third year in Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel and Tourism Management. Now I am gonna present you the USA. So let's start. The 50 stars on the flag represents the 50 states of the USA and the 13th strip represents the 13 British colonies. The capital of US is the Washington DC, which was established by the Constitution in 1789. US dollar is the currency of USA and 1 US dollar is equals to 74.49 INR. English is undoubtedly the most widely spoken language in US, being the official language of the country. The US has the largest economy in the world. Since 1871, the economy is so large that the US is often noted as economic superpower. The Statue of Liberty was a gift from France. The gift was sent to celebrate 100 years of Franco-American friendship. Next, the center of entertainment. Hollywood is globally well known as the center of entertainment, and some would consider that it is one of the most famous places of the earth. Major cities. The city New York is also known as the Big Apple and the city that never sleeps. The Big Apple is also one of the largest cultural and financial hubs in the world. Los Angeles. City of Angels, La La Land, The Big Orange, and the Tinseltown, home to the celebrities Free Spirits, never stops attracting people. Chicago, the Windy City. Chicago, located at the Lake Michigan, world renowned for museums. The next is tourist destinations. Niagara Falls. It is one of the most famous waterfalls in the world. Summer is most popular time to visit Niagara Falls. White House. It was originally built by James Hobson in 1792 and burned down by British forces in 1814 and was rebuilt in 1818. Tours of White House are free but reservation must be made in advance 3 weeks. Golden Gate Bridge. Arriving across San Francisco Bay, joining San Francisco and Marin County, the Golden Gate Bridge has been a California icon since it was built in 1930. Times Square. Bustling Times Square, famous for its flashing billboards, New Year's Eve countdown, constant throngs of people, lies at the heart of Midtown Manhattan. Statue of Liberty, a universal symbol of freedom, the Statue of Liberty is the most familiar icon. Famous dishes. Apple pie, the simple combination of sugar, buttery paste, and tart sliced apples, dessert so extraordinary, people have devoted their entire lives to perfecting it. Next, hot dogs. Hot dogs are staple of American street food sold at carts and stands across the country. Hamburger. Every single American will have a different idea about where to find best hamburger in the country. Thanksgiving. So, Thanksgiving isn't technically a food, but it's such a legendary date on the American culinary calendar, fourth Thursday of each November, that it needs to be acknowledged. It's really about turkey cranberry sauce, green bean casserole, and belly eggs. Tacos. Chicken tacos served on a bed of lettuce topped with sauce, salsa, and cheese. Best. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you liked it.